Here I am editing already uploaded short format video. I am reusing the details of previous video. Reusing the existing titles and description, then editing the titles and description, adding hash shots for shorts video. YouTube shorts videos are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less than 60 seconds videos, and resolution is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. And here I am correcting the description, then adding the tags, etc. Then follow the steps to publish the shorts video. Click on publish to publish the short video, and here you can see the video in vertical format, and it is a short video. It is 60 seconds or less than 60 seconds.